Let's talk about that little bar at the bottom of your Samsung phone. You know the one. You probably tap it hundreds of times a day. But have you ever stopped to think, hey, can I change this thing? Well, today, we're going to do exactly that. We're diving into how you can customize your navigation bar, and trust me, it's one of the simplest tweaks you can make for a huge impact on how your phone feels.
Okay, so first things first, you've got a choice to make. Are you team buttons, sticking with that classic, reliable 3-button setup you've known for years? Or are you team gestures, all about that clean, modern look that gives you a full-screen experience? This isn't just some tech setting, you know? This is about your personal style, how you want to interact with your phone every single day.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Ugh, this sounds complicated. I'm going to have to dig through a million menus. But here's the best part. It's not. It is so easy. Seriously, you don't need to be a tech wizard for this one, I promise. The whole thing takes, what, less than a minute? No joke.
All right, so let's walk through this path to personalization. We're going to break down the exact steps, and you'll see it's just a few simple taps. By the end of this, you'll be a total pro, able to switch back and forth whenever you feel like it. You ready? Let's get into it.
Here we go, the 4-step master plan. First, just pop open your main settings app. Easy enough. Then you're going to scroll down just a bit and tap on Display, which, that makes total sense, right? This is all about what you see on the screen. And right inside Display, you'll spot it, Navigation Bar. Give that a tap, and boom, you're there. And this is where the magic happens. Check this out. When you have buttons selected, you've got that familiar, dependable layout. But the second you tap swipe gestures, poof, they're gone. The buttons just vanish. And what you're left with is this awesome, clean, full-screen experience. It completely changes the whole vibe of your phone. But here's the most important thing to remember. You are not locked in. This is not some permanent high-stakes decision. So don't sweat it. If you try out gestures for a week and decide, nah, I miss my buttons, it's no big deal. You can switch back and forth as many times as you want. It's all about playing around and finding what feels right for you. And really, that's the whole point, isn't it? It's about giving you the control. It's your phone, after all, and you should be able to make it work exactly how you want it to. So the only question left is the one on the screen. Now that you know how to do it, which interface are you going to master?